Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bushra. I am 25 years old and a graduated student in laboratory science, and currently is one of the participants of āwāt ئەكادیمی, diploma of translation. I want to talk about my experience and my whole journey through these 5 months. To be honest, before joining this course, I felt stuck in my English, and because I've been learning English since 2020, and I tried many different methods, but nothing gave me the progress I was truly hoping for. And I knew I need a serious push, something structured and that I can rely on. So one day, I came across this course through a Facebook post. After reading the participants' feedback and seeing how passionate they were, I had no doubt. I joined the course, and alhamdulillah, I've never looked back. Now, in the 5th month of the program, I can confidently say it's one of the best decisions I've made. And many people might say the course is expensive, but once you see the dedication of the teachers and the support you receive, you just realize that absolutely it's worth it. In fact, the knowledge I've gained in these 5 months, maybe they have taken me at least 2 years if I had tried to learn, like if I depend on my ways. What makes this course truly special is the structure. Everything is simplified, well organized, and easy to review. There's nothing confusing, and if anything isn't clear, the teachers are always ready to help. They repeat lessons kindly, and I can say even they care about our learning more than we sometimes do ourselves. And to be honest, grammar was always my weak point. I used to fear it, but this course changed everything for me. Grammar became something that I could finally understand and even enjoy. If I talk about the live and the recorded formats, are incredibly helpful actually. But I personally prefer the live ones because they make me feel more engaged, connected, and more confident too about each topic that we're reading. One last thing I wanted to share is, if someone says they didn't benefit from this course, I think it's not because of the course's fault. I can just refer that if you don't try, you don't learn. No, it depends on your own efforts. You must sacrifice, because when you just read anything, for example, in the night, you need to reviewing for what you learned through this night. So how can we do that? By sacrificing some of our free times. In the end of my message, I just confirm to say, don't miss this chance, give your best, and it will give you back more than you expect. And I want to show my gratitude, and I just say thank you to all the teachers and the āwāt Academy staff. Your sincerity and support and dedication means the world.